In this video, I'll be showing you how to turn off NFC on Android phone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, it's really easy to do this, and there's two methods for it. So the first thing we can do is swipe down on the top right of our screen, and we're going to see our quick settings or our control panel. Now, once we're here, all you want to do is go ahead and swipe down again, and you're going to see all the different options. Now, go ahead and locate NFC, and then that's it. You're just going to have to turn it off. I can also long press on it, and if it's currently on, go ahead and turn it off right there as well. And then that's literally all you got to do. You can even change your default wallet app, or you can go to other NFC services and remove any services that you don't want linked to NFC if you want to. For example, you might want to do this if you want to keep NFC on for certain instances, but turn it off for like other instances. Like you might want to turn it off for Google Wallet, but keep it on as a car key. So yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something that you didn't know about yet.